Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel! Today, we've got something really exciting, the brand new Huawei Matebook D16. This is the latest refresh model MCLG-X, and I can't wait to see what they've packed into this large screen productivity beast. Right here is the back. It's clean, simple, and white with that classic Matebook branding. The key specs are right here. We're looking at the Mystic Silver color, 8 gigs of RAM, a 512 gigs SSD, and a powerful 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H processor. We have the manual, and underneath here, the power adapter. Huawei gives us a 65-watt USB-C charger. This is fantastic as it's compact, portable, and you can use it to charge your phone or tablet too. A huge plus for convenience. Here is the laptop itself. It is perfectly centered and well protected. Let's pull this out. Let's remove the plastic first. And wow! That Mystic Silver finish is sharp and professional. It feels incredibly solid. This 16-inch display is what the D16 is all about. It is a great panel for productivity, spreadsheets, and just having multiple windows open at once. It immediately looks immersive. And for a 16-inch laptop, it manages to maintain a reasonably slim and portable profile. The Mystic Silver aluminum plastics looks and feels premium. Under the hood, the Intel Core i5-13420H is an H series chip, meaning it's designed for higher performance, not just efficiency. This, combined with the 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gig SSD, should make this a snappy, powerful machine for daily tasks and even some light photo editing. Moving down to the keyboard, we get a full-size setup, including a dedicated numpad on the right, which is a game changer if you work with numbers. The key travel feels decent. So there it is, the first look at the Huawei Matebook D16. My initial impressions are excellent. You get a beautiful, huge display, a full numpad keyboard, and serious performance thanks to that H-series Intel chip, all wrapped in a sleek Mystic Silver body. This looked like a fantastic choice for students, office users, or anyone needing a dedicated large screen workspace on a budget.